This video will look at solving two-step equations by adding or subtracting and then multiplying. Again, we identify which side of the equation our problem is on. As you can see, it is on the right. Here is my good friend, and the -4 is my best friend. He is tight with this n. So we're going to move away the good friend. So let's subtract 1 from both sides. 6 minus 1 gives me a 5. There is my 0. And I'm left with the n over -4 on the right-hand side. So I'm left with just my variable and my best friend, and it's time to move the best friend. And we ask ourselves, this is a fraction. What is the -4 doing with the n? And it is dividing. So the opposite of divide is multiply. So I am going to multiply both sides by that -4. And remember, this is the same as -4 over 1, so you can clearly see the -4 is on the top. So I can cancel those. They divide out to a 1, leaving me with just the n. And -4 times 5 is -20. Let's check our answer. I have 6 is equal to 1 plus something divided by -4. And I think the something is a -20. Let's take a look. 6 is equal to 1. -20 divided by -4 is a +5. So 6 is equal to 1 plus 5. 6 does equal 6, and we got it correct. All right, let's look at another example. This time, my variable is going to be on the opposite side, but no worries. We follow the exact same steps. There's our good friend, here's our best friend. So we're going to move the good friend away first. That's my 0. And I'm left with r divided by -1.5 is equal to 9 minus 1 is an 8. Time to move away the best friend. He's the only one that's left. And he is dividing at the bottom of this fraction. So I'm going to multiply by -1.5. Those cancel. They divide out to 1, leaving me with just an r. And 8 times a -1.5 is equal to -12. Again, let's check our answer. 1 plus something divided by -1.5 equals 9. And I think the something is a -12. So we have 1 plus a -12 divided by a -1.5 is a +8 equals 9. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 equals 9. We're balanced, and it has been solved correctly.